Hey y'all, today we are going to make my absolute 100% favorite vegetable side dish ever since I was a kid. My granny made it this way, my aunts all made it this way, and it is just perfect southern squash and onions. So good, y'all. Y'all gotta give it a try. And hey y'all, I'm Tammy at All About Living, and we're gonna just go ahead and get started. Okay, all you're gonna need is some salt and some pepper and either some oil or some bacon grease. I'm gonna use bacon grease because I have some. Need some onions, and these are little shallots, and I only had 2 left, so I'm just gonna use those. This is my garden harvest for today. That is all I got. So I picked up 2 at the store, and we'll get those in there. And I made Randy BLTs for lunch. So I have 2 little pieces of bacon, and we're going to drop those in there. That's it. Alright, we're going to start. We're just going to get a medium low flame. Down. There we go. And don't judge me, I'm using my dirty pan because, see, I made Randy those BLTs for lunch and I cooked that bacon in here. So it's already got nice bacon glaze on the bottom. And I poured the bulk of the bacon grease off and I'll put some back in. But there's a good amount in there now. And I'm going to start with my onions. Okay. And we're just going to go just like that, long ways, across the shallots and the onions. All right, here's your action shot, Randy. There you go. No, maybe I do. I'm going to go ahead and cut that onion. I decided I want it. I love onions just as much as I do squash. Let's go. That looks good. That looks good. Okay. Get these all whirled around. And I'm getting kind of dry, so I'm going to add a little bit more of that bacon grease. Alright, like 2 tablespoons would probably be good. I'm getting good and sauteed now. They're starting to brown, so it's time for my squash. And I'm just going to cut that squash right over the pan. We're just going to cut them right on into the pan. Now I'm just going to cut that bacon up and, just basically tearing it, putting it back in there. Just like that. And that's it for me. That's a meal. I don't need anything else. Maybe a slice of tomato. And Granddaddy loved this stuff all summer long. We had this probably 2 or 3 times a week during the summer when we had plenty of squash. And I'd sit right there with him, eat too. I love it. Now let's get some salt and pepper in there. And I'm just going to go, salt's all relative, so how much ever salt you think you like. We like salt, so I'll probably put a good at least half a teaspoon in there. Oh, that is salt. Now I need pepper. Wrong one. And we like lots of pepper too, so we're just gonna roll this grinder till I get tired. There we go. Oops. Give that a good stir, and then just let it saute down till they're soft. And we're just going to stir them, keep stirring until they get soft.
All right, ladies, gents, guys, gals, that's how you cook squash and onion. You learned it from a southern-born, southern-raised Georgia girl on the farms of South Georgia. She cooked me some squash. I tasted it, and it was good, and you're going to like it, too. Y'all have a good night.
All right, good night.
Bye. I'm going to go eat them.